Guys, in my hand is a Panasonic Arc razor. This thing just works, guys. I've had this for several years and it's just convenient. Why do I like it? Simple. I can use this with my eyes closed every morning. I just turn it on and then you shave. And it's worked so great. I've never had to replace the blade. That's probably because I don't have a lot of hair. But really, I use this every single day. The battery life is incredible. I think it's 45 minutes and you don't even need to dock it. You have a little cable plugged in, charge it, ready to go. It's always ready. I love the ability to use it wet and dry because I use it dry, but I like the ability to just wash it. This thing has a lock feature right here, so when I'm traveling, I don't have to worry about it being turned on. When I need to, I unlock it, you can turn it on right there, perfect. It got a timer, it tells me how much time it's been running, it tells me how much battery life I have left. I love this little LCD screen, it's fantastic. On top, you got the 5 blades right here. On the bottom, you got the charging area right there. You plug that in, it gets charged. On the back here, you got this extra blade right here. So it pushes up and boom, now you got a little trimmer. It's perfect for trimming the fine details on your beard or anywhere that you just need to have a nice fine precision trim. Boom, tuck that away, good to go. And this thing is so easy to clean. This thing has a nice grippy handle back here. Nice firm grip right here, works great. I love it. I can use this with my eyes closed every morning. It works really, really great. And I mean, that's why you want a razor, because it just works, guys. And when you need to ready to clean it, you just pop this out right here. Boom, pop the side right here, pull this out, and you can run this through the water, just like this. Run this through water, it gets clean, push it back in, and you're good to go. For me, what I care about is that it just works. Again, that's the Panasonic Arc5. Love this thing. Had it for several years. Use it every single day. Absolutely highly recommend it. That is it right there, guys. That is the Panasonic Arc5. Totally recommend it. Boom, right there. Get your shave in.